We are going to fight this because it's not fair, and it is just a measure to ensure that this place shuts down for the other competitors to win at whatever they are trying to get into. And in fact, those other competitors are clubs. This is not a club. This is a restaurant. It is a fine dine restaurant. And therefore, as the legal advocate for this establishment, we are going to fight. We are going to ensure that this matter goes to the relevant authorities. We are going to continue with this case, and in fact, we are going to file for contempt because they have gone against the court order. In fact, they have not even responded to the court documents, which means they don't even respect the judiciary.
As Wakili mentioned, anyone who comes here past 10, there is no music. In fact, we constantly get complaints from customers as to why we reduce the music at 10, but those are the recommendations of NEMA. They asked us to reduce the music by 10 and to change our trading hours to 11, which we did. So those are some of the things that we have done to comply. We don't have a DJ here past 10. We don't have music. Our trading hours are till 11. So what we want to ask is that they rescind the closure, if not for anything, for the guys that are standing around us who need their jobs.
Justice for Oyster Bay.